Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wildlife is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about plate tectonics. Plate tectonics explains how parts of the Earth's surface were formed. The theory or idea of plate tectonics is that Earth's outer layer is made up of large moving pieces called plates. All of Earth's land and water sit on these plates. The plates are made of solid rock. Under the plates is a weak layer of partially melted rock. The plates are constantly moving over this weaker layer. Most of the Earth is covered by 7 major plates and another 8 or so minor plates. The 7 major plates include the African, Antarctic, Eurasian, North American, South American, Indo-Australian, and the Pacific plates. Some of the minor plates include the Arabian, Caribbean, Asuka, and Scotia plates. Tectonic plates are around 62 miles thick. There are 2 main types of tectonic plates, oceanic and continental. Oceanic plates cover about 71% of Earth's surface, while continental plates cover 29%. Oceanic. An oceanic plate is a tectonic plate at the bottom of the oceans. It is thinner than the continental crust and denser. Continental. Continental plate is the thick part of the Earth's crust, which forms the large land masses. Continental rock has lower density than oceanic rock. The movement of tectonic plates is most evident at the boundaries between the plates. Earthquakes, volcanic activity, mountain building, and oceanic trench formation occur along plate boundaries. There are 3 main types of boundaries. Convergent boundaries. A convergent boundary is where 2 tectonic plates push together. Sometimes one plate will move under the other. This is called subduction. Convergent boundaries can make mountains and volcanoes. The Andes mountain range in South America and the Japanese island arc are examples. The Himalayan mountains, including Mount Everest, were formed by the convergent boundary of the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate. Also, the Pacific Ring of Fire. Divergent boundaries. A divergent boundary is one where 2 plates are getting pushed apart. The area on land where the boundaries occurs is called a rift. They make earthquakes and trenches. The mid-ocean ridges in Africa's Great Rift Valley are examples. The Red Sea formed where the African and Arabian plates pulled apart. This rift is getting larger, and the Red Sea will eventually form an ocean. Transform boundaries. A transform boundary is one where 2 plates slide past each other. These places are often called faults and can be areas where earthquakes often occur. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of a transform boundary. New Zealand is another more complex example. The plates have moved across Earth's surface for hundreds of millions of years. As the plates move, the continents have then moved too. This movement is called continental drift. Scientists can measure how fast plates move and where they are moving. For example, we know that the Atlantic Ocean is slowly getting wider and the Pacific Ocean is slowly shrinking. Scientists have also traced these movements backward in time. We believe continents were once one big continent called Pangaea, which means all Earth. The plates move about the same rate our fingernails grow. That amounts to at most a few inches per year. Slowly, Pangaea broke apart. One piece of Pangaea included parts of what are now North America, Europe, and Asia. This piece, called Laurasia, drifted north. The other piece of Pangaea included parts of what are now Antarctica, Africa, South America, and Australia. This part, called Gondwanaland, drifted south. Eventually, Laurasia and Gondwanaland broke apart too. The continents then slowly moved to the places they are now. The plates are still moving. Scientists are now able to track the movement of tectonic plates using GPS. Scientists believe that millions of years from now, the continents and oceans will be different in size and shape than they are today. Thank you for watching this Adventurous Kids episode.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kid.
Adventurous kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids!
Adventurous kids. Adventurous